Oh boy, I can't afford that fragrance. I'm not paying that amount of money for a discontinued scent. That doesn't make any sense. But wait, they say that there is one out there that smells 90% similar to that one. Think I will check it out.
Hey guys, what's going on? Wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Big up on yourself. Alain here again with a brand new edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner, and today we're going to check this out. Is the hype worth it? Is this really as good as they say? Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this fragrance right here from Paco Rabanne Ultra Red Man has been making its rounds in the fragrance community lately. It's getting some form of an hype, and I'm curious to see what this is all about. Now, there is a very popular fragrance which sadly has been discontinued from Thierry Mugler, Amen Ultra Zest. As I said, discontinued, and it is available on eBay and Amazon and stuff like that, but the prices are ridiculous. I've seen it for as high as $500, and no, I'm sorry, I'm not paying that amount for it. I'm not paying $300 for it either. That price range is really high for a discontinued fragrance. I'd rather spend that amount of money and buy something from Roche or Sergio or Amouage or something like that. But Ultra Red, they say smells very, very, very similar to that. Now, Paco Rabanne Ultra Red is a 2008 release, and it does have similar notes to Ultra Zest, such as blood orange. It has vanilla, tonka bean, and then of course patchouli. Everybody knows the entire Amen line is popular for patchouli. So the notes are similar, and let's see what this is all about. Now, you could say that maybe I jumped on the hype train, but from my personal experiences, when a fragrance is discontinued, not saying that this is being discontinued, but it's an older fragrance and I haven't seen this in stores. Online, if you find it at a reasonable price, get it. That's what I did. I paid like about $40 for this, and I said, hey, you know what? Let me just go ahead and pick it up, because once something gets hyped, and demand and supply, we all know how that goes, right? So I'm really excited to see what this is all about. And yes, I know there are plenty of holes in the wall, but don't worry, it's a work in progress. It is a work in progress. At least I have more space now for my upcoming fragrances, which is good. So this is what the packaging looks like. Metallic red with a white stripe. This of course is 100 ml, and it's a EDT concentration. And then down here now you would have the batch code. So the one that I've seen mostly in stores is Ultraviolet, but they actually have a whole lot of fragrances in this Ultra line. So let's see. Now this is similar to the Ultraviolet buckle. It's red instead of violet. The buckle is okay. A bit tacky, so I guess you spray down here. Yeah. So, and I'm just gonna spray this on hand. So I guess you hold it like this. Let's see what the spray is like. The spray is good. Oh, it actually, okay. You spray down here, so not up here, so down here, so. Now, I don't know what Ultra Zest smells like, but this, it has that Mugler DNA. It is citrusy, but not fresh. It is a sweet citrus. And I think the description for this fragrance is actually a citrus gourmand, so that makes sense. Definitely the patchouli is in there with the vanilla and the tonka bean. I like this. Alright. Just based on first impressions. I mean, how many first impressions videos have you watched and have seen a reaction like this? The patchouli mixed with the blood orange and that little sweetness from the tonka bean and vanilla. Holy crap, this is... People, I'm not over exaggerating. Me not overdo it. But good gosh, man. If you want something for the spring and summer, try get this. Especially, I mean, if you can get it for like 40 bucks, it's worth every single dime. Now, if the performance is as good as they say and the sillage, whoa. Now, if they say that this smells 90% like Ultra Zest, I can just imagine what Ultra Zest smells like, but I'm still not going to pay that exuberant amount of money that they're asking for it on eBay. But this is, I like this. This is going to make my spring rotation. Maybe even my summer rotation. This is nice, guys. This is nice. Again, this is just based on first impressions. I still have to test it out to see what the longevity is like, what the sillage is like, what the projection is like. But if you want something to rock in the spring or in the summer, something that's going to give you compliments, because this is going to give you compliments. That's not usually how I spray, but no, I'm going to visit my mom and see what she thinks about it. Anyhow, guys, Paco Rabanne Ultra Red, man. So far, I'm loving it. If you can pick it up on the cheap, pick it up. And if you spray it and don't like it, sit on it and probably you'll be able to sell it for a profit. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna definitely keep this. I'm gonna keep my eyes on this, because if this gets discontinued, I'm going to buy a backup bottle. I like this so far. Yeah. But hold on. Have you actually subscribed to the channel? You haven't? Don't worry yourself, man. No problem. Just click on the subscribe button, and while you're at it, click on the notification bell as well, so you'll get notified whenever your favorite Jamaican fragrance reviewer uploads a brand new video. And you know what? You can also head over to Instagram, follow me there, whiteboys_fragrance_corner, or you can catch up with me on Facebook as well, White Boys Fragrance Corner. With that said and out of the way, man, if you smell good, yeah, this spring, if you smell like this, yeah. Anyways, peeps, stay safe, stay blessed, big up on yourself, White Boys out.